Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have a special unboxing and initial review for you guys. And it is the Lorier, I believe it's pronounced, Gemini. Now this watch just came out on this past Saturday, and I jumped on it and got one. Very fortunate because it sold out pretty quickly. The Gemini is a chronograph. Now, I've been following Laurier for a while now. First noticed them about last year with the Neptune, and just love their styling. And I've seen on their site that their styling, the theme has kind of, continued in their various other watches. And the Neptune looks great, and the Falcon, I just love the Falcon, and I can't wait for that one to come out. But I wanted to get my hands on this one as soon as it came out. And like I said, I'm very fortunate to get it, and it got delivered last night. So I did open it up quickly just to take a peek at it, but I haven't taken anything out of it or stickers or whatnot. They're all still there. You do get an instruction guide here, FAQs and whatnot, which is nice. And they do wrap it up in some tissue paper. So it's just a box, and that's fine. I'd rather them focus whatever means they have on the product itself. And you get this nice leather watch roll, which is pretty neat. I don't think I've ever received a watch with a watch roll. Oh, that's not true. I did get a Squale off of Nomon watches, and it came with a watch roll here. You got a card and a nice personalized note from the owners. Awesome. Just in case you didn't know, my name is Robert, even though I go by Bobby Legs. And they throw in a nice little screwdriver to change the links. And here we go. Wow. I mean, this is really a beauty. Let me just zoom in here on the dial. That's awesome. Just doing a quick little inspection. Okay, so what? Just initial dimensions here. We got a 39 millimeter case diameter, 10 millimeter height watch, and I'm not sure if that includes the plexiglass. It is plexiglass. It is domed plexiglass, I believe. 47-inch millimeter, sorry, lug to lug. 20 millimeter lug width, and this tapers down. The bracelet tapers down to 16 millimeters. I'm really excited to size this and get this on real quick because I have a feeling it's a super comfortable watch. 50 meters water resistance. It's got Swiss Super Luminova 316L stainless steel. It's got the Seagull ST19 mechanical chronograph movement here. No exhibition case back. That's absolutely fine. I believe the Seagull 1963 has the same chronograph movement. I'm not 100% sure, but before I'll do some research on this. I will do a review probably in a couple weeks, a full review on the watch. But I just wanted to unbox it and get it out there. And let me size it up real quick, guys, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, guys, I'm back here, and I sized this watch for my 6 3/4 inch wrists. I'm giving it a quick wind, pull once to get the time set, and I started winding this before I had the camera on, so sorry about that, guys. We'll go here. It's about 1:30, whatever. Up a little bit, and let's fire off the chronograph. Nice little tick there, and snap back. So let's put it on wrist. Oh yeah, I mean that's like super comfortable. I like a little slack on my watch. There is about 2 micro adjusts here on the clasp. But that looks pretty slick, man. I'm really happy with this. Super comfortable. Um, just look, I want to show you guys how the links just drape over like that, and so you're gonna get really comfortable feel to this watch when you wear it on wrist. Anyway, so 24 um, hour um, bezel. It's a little, it's not perfect. It's a little gummy. I guess that's the best way to describe it, and perhaps maybe that will loosen up a little bit in time. But really no complaints here. This is just a pretty watch in my opinion. And you get this vintage look with some modern um, accoutrement, if you will. Anyway, guys, be on the lookout for a full review on this watch in the next coming weeks, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.